Hi everyone, welcome to the course. For this week I'm going to go over some interesting concepts for week 1 to assist with your learning. In week 1 we're going to focus on chapter 1, which covers some important concepts, and discussing them in class can be interesting. However, students sometimes struggle with these concepts on their own, so it can be assigned but really not covered in class when we look at it. We're going to spend most of the first class going over syllabus, grading discussion, mechanisms related to class. So when you look at the topics, you want to focus on the structure of the book. So I think the structure of the book will be helpful. We will also discuss briefly the fact that it's assumed that the managers try to maximize stock prices, but they may have other goals, hence that it's useful to tie executive compensation to the stockholder-oriented performance measures. Because if you know that that's how shareholders are being evaluated, it's good to put the actual CEO on the same measurement stick. Now, it's also worthwhile to spend at least a couple minutes on the chapter and the concepts of how they relate. One point we might emphasize is that we should print a copy of the PowerPoint slides for each chapter and purchase a financial calculator, maybe to help you with some of your concepts. We're also going to put various versions of the calculator, which is on page 12 that you want to focus on. I think that will help you as well to look at. You're going to want to learn how to use your calculator before the time value concepts are covered in chapter 5. And that's an important concept to really focus on. Now, chapter 2 is a little bit different. It's going to be an overview of the financial markets and institutions. We're going to base this on the integrated cases. The case goes systematically through the key points in the chapter and with the context that helps you really understand the real-world relevance of the material in the chapter. We ask the students basically to read the chapter, look over the case studies, evaluate some of the challenges of those case studies. So when you look at it, you're going to look at a lot of interesting concepts. We have easy access to a lot of equipment in this course to really focus on things. And when you look at the lecture notes, you're going to find that we take to the class that consists of the PowerPoint slides, that are marked up copies. And the notes are located in there, and it really assists with each of those slides. It's probably important to bring in some current event, provide some additional examples to how it focuses on, and to put some, maybe post some notes of your own when you go through the slides. The advantages of this are it carefully reviews the lecture material, easy to prepare, and allows you to follow with logic. Now the slides contain the essence of the solution for most of the integrated cases that we look at, but also provide more in-depth solutions. It's not essential, but you might find it useful to read through the detailed solution. Also, if you look at how these chapters coincide and look at how the concepts develop, that will be interesting as well. If you have any questions, just let me know.